I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a creamy potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold or russet potatoes, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. These core components are crucial for achieving that perfect, comforting consistency and taste. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and cook until translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in the minced garlic for 1 minute more until fragrant. Next, add your peeled and diced potatoes and pour in the broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are very tender. Once the potatoes are tender, it's time to create that signature creaminess. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot, blending about 2/3 of the soup until smooth. If you don't have one, carefully transfer about 2/3 of the soup to a regular blender, blend, and then return it to the pot. This technique ensures a velvety texture while leaving some potato chunks for body. For the grand finale, stir in the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter and the 1 cup of heavy cream. Heat the soup gently over low heat, being careful not to let it boil, which can curdle the cream. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve hot, garnished with your favorite toppings like fresh chives, crispy bacon bits, or shredded cheddar cheese. Enjoy your perfect creamy potato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.